My name is Ashish Agarwal, and I'll be delivering this lecture to you. So, before commencing the session, just a quick round of update regarding my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Ashish Agarwal underscore GG. So, if you haven't visited the channel, I would request you to do visit the channel and do like, share, and subscribe the channel. The channel is dedicated to Golden Gate related videos. Thank you. So, now let us install Golden Gate 19c. So guys, remember one thing, we can have multiple Golden Gate homes on the same server. It's not like you can have only one Golden Gate home on one server. You can have multiple Golden Gate homes as well. So we installed we installed Golden Gate 21c. Now I just want to show you what is the difference between 19c and 21c installation, just to show you. So this is the major difference. Golden Gate 21c has unified build support. So unified build means it is not database version specific, it is unified. So even if your database version 11c, 12c, 18c, 19c, it will work, or 21c, it will work. But with 19c, Golden Gate, if it depends on database version, so it uses database libraries for you. So because we have on this server, we have got Oracle database 19c. So we'll have to select Oracle database 19c. Suppose if I select wrong database, in that case, I won't be able to invoke GGSCA. It will give me error. The reason being, it uses your database libraries. Okay. So you need to select the correct database version. I'll select the wrong database version just to show you what happens and why it does like that. So I'll click on next. So I'm installing, guys, just to let you know, I'm installing Oracle Database 19c on the server Ggate1, where we have Oracle Database 19c as well. But while installation of Golden Gate, I'm providing Oracle Golden Gate for Oracle Database 12c right now. Okay. So click on next. Now provide the software location here. So software location I'll provide, say for example, will install /data app Oracle product. Here I'll create OGG underscore 19c, for example. Okay, so Golden Gate will be installed in this. Then another difference is it uses database home. Oracle Golden Gate 19c uses Oracle database home. You see, it is looking for database home. You need to provide. And the manager port. So for this, I'll provide, suppose, manager port as 7811, just for the reference. Okay, I'll click on next. So guys, remember one thing, I have selected wrong database purposefully. It says that anyways, during installation itself, it says, because we have provided Golden Gate database home. So that's why it's no. That's why it no. That database version specified database location is not supported. Are you sure you want to continue? If you want to do no, you can do no as well. If you want to do yes, you can do. Suppose I'll deselect start manager, then it won't complain. Click on install. So now I've installed Golden Gate 19c for Oracle Golden Gate, Oracle database 19c, but selected option, I have got different version. Uh, it says we have, because I'll tell you why, vi/data/app/Aura inventory. ls via cd Aura inventory contents XML, inventory.xml. So what happens is, here if you see, Oracle Home 1 is already registered here, right? Ora Home 1. This is already registered. And it is trying to register new home with the same name. So that's why it is giving you this error. So what I'll do, just for the reference, if I put escape I hash here, if and because this is our training and development. So what I'll do, escape I hash. Okay. Okay. This is just for an information, guys. This is something extra, which you might not use, but just to let you know that error with came. It uses this inventory.xml. So sometimes during Oracle database installation as well, you get that error. So it comes from inventory.xml only. Okay. Now again, we'll go to this location, cd/home/Oracle/softwares OGG_classic_19c FBO disk1 run installer. Okay, now I'll select wrong database version again. Provide the location, data, app, Oracle, product. I'll install it in the new folder, for example. Next. Okay, port is already in use. I'll unselect this option. Next. Now, because that location home is not registered,
But Ashish, we still selected the wrong version of
yeah,
database, right?
purposefully we selected, right? Purposefully. Just to show
Yes.
you, if it's correct, it will run, but just to show you why it asks for that version. So I just want to show you. So go to data, app, Oracle, product, go to new folder. Okay. Now do /ggsci. It won't run because the reason being Goldengate uses database libraries until 19c. It uses database libraries until 19c. So it is looking for libnz12.so, which is not present. The reason being why this 12, this each database has this library, but it changes with version. So it appends the version number. So basically it is looking for 12. If it's 19, because we have selected 19 over there. We have selected 12 over there, but the database version is 19. So what it is looking for is it is looking for libnz12.so, but here we have libnz19.so. Hence Goldengate is unable to load. So Oracle Home. So your libraries are present in this location, Oracle Home/lib. So if you do ls-lart lib nnz star, see it is libnz19.so which is present. So you have 19c binaries over here, and hence because 12c libraries are not present, and hence GGSCI is not able to start. So the thing is, Goldengate uses database libraries until 19c. From 21c, it has unified will supports and all the required libraries comes. And those libraries are common among all the databases. but with 21c but with version prior to 21c in Goldengate, that's an issue. So you have to select the correct database version. Okay. So now if you try to invoke GGSC, it won't invoke. You can now deinstall because anyways it's not needed. So I can go to data, app, Oracle, product. If you want to deinstall this, no, folder. We are going to deinstall this 19c version. So if we have got deinstall folder, just run deinstall.sh. Proceed with removing this home. Click on yes. So deinstallation will start. Okay, deinstallation has happened. Now what I'll do is I'll go to data, app, Ora inventory, content XML, and then I'll do inventory.xml. Here okay, automatically it got, I think because we deinstalled the earlier one, that's why we have got. Okay, save it and close it. Now go to our location where we have installed 21c, data, app, Oracle, product, OGG_SRC, GGSCH. Yeah, you are. So this is the difference between 21c and 19c Goldengate installation. That 19c doesn't have unified build support. Goldengate has unified builds.